Go ahead, please. Good luck.
Okay, so in my team, my name is Tanvi Dave. We have Namami Rawal and Pari Rangres. We are from JG University, BTech, CSE, second semester. Okay. And our project is a cafe management system. So uh, our cafe Corner House is located in Bangalore and it requires a management system. So we have built a management system for that cafe. It is written. It is coded in Python based and integrated with SQL. The tools and techniques that we have used, of course, our core programming language is Python. We have integrated it with MySQL connector for database connectivity and MySQL database. Our key features are that our project lets you register yourself, your details, basically your name, table number, phone. It lets you select from the menu from the merchandise products. It also calculates all the costs and it accepts cash or card transactions.
So we have also used MySQL for offline purposes to store data offline. And we have used user-defined functions as us, menu, merchandise, page, which are called in main function. And we have used loop controls and user interactions.
This is the basic raw structure of the Python program. It starts with a hello message, then it will ask for customer details that you have to enter. Then it will ask you the options of what you want to do. First, it will ask you if you want the cafe history, then it will ask you for payment details. First, if you ask for cafe history, you get the cafe history menu. Then you ask for, you wanna buy something. Then the menu will be displayed and then you will be asked what you want. For example, first here is cold coffee. So you will enter choice number 1. Then they will ask you how many quantities you want. And then they will say how much money it will cost in total. Then you will be asked for if you want to buy a merchandise or not. Then merchandise options. And after that, you will get payment details. Payment details we have. Payment details we have 2 options: card and cash transaction. For card, they will first ask if it is debit, the bank details, and your name, and then you will have to pay at the counter. For cash, you will be directly asked to pay at the counter. Then in the end, if you press 5, you will exit the loop. This is the basic MySQL table that we use. It's in a raw form. The whole cold coffee menu and the payment details, everything will be stored in MySQL. The main feature why we use MySQL was for offline connectivity. Like out of blue, the cafe is working and out of blue, the lights goes out. Then what will we do? The whole payment details, everything is stored here. So if a person who is right now eating, they are not going to go again and order everything again so that it can be saved. No, it will be saved in MySQL for offline purposes.
That our project is in like raw, but we can use PyQt it, and we can also add rating systems and feedback to make it good. And it is a customer oriented project, but we can also add some things to make it staff friendly too. And our conclusion was to provide management cafe to make it easier.
Subscribe Dheeraj Pujara YouTube channel for more updates, or you can call on 9825782290 to clear your doubts.